Every society agrees on one thing: morality matters. Whether you're religious, secular, or somewhere in between, every human instinctively knows that some actions are good, some are evil, and some things must never be done. But here's the problem: almost nobody asks. If there is no objective source above us, why should any moral claim carry real authority? Because without something higher than human opinion, morality becomes nothing more than preference. The same category as food taste or clothing style. Imagine someone says, "You shouldn't steal." That only works if there is a standard outside of both you and me that declares theft wrong. Remove that standard, and the conversation changes. You shouldn't steal. Why not? Because it harms society. And why is harming society wrong? Well, because we've agreed it is. But agreement does not create truth. Entire societies have agreed on things that were monstrously evil, and history does not treat those agreements as morally neutral. Secular moral theories often try to fill the gap by grounding morality in things like human flourishing, empathy, social contracts, or evolutionary advantage. But each of these collapses for the same reason: they depend on human preference. If morality is based on human flourishing, who decides what flourishing looks like? If it's empathy, what about people who feel none? If it's evolutionary advantage, what happens when cruelty gives you the advantage? When humans become the measure of morality, morality becomes as unstable as humans themselves. For morality to be meaningful, for morality to bind all people in all places at all times, it must come from a source that is above us, outside us, unchanging, and morally perfect. A standard that is not voted into existence and cannot be voted out of it. And this is where the Christian worldview speaks with clarity. Moral law flows from a moral lawgiver, not from culture, not from evolution, not from preference, but from the character of the God who made us. In Christianity, morality is not arbitrary. It is not imposed by force or numbers. It is rooted in the very nature of God: His justice, His goodness, His purity, His love. This is why moral obligations feel weighty. It's why guilt feels real. It's why we praise courage and condemn cruelty even when nobody else sees it. Our moral instincts are not glitches of biology. They are echoes of the one whose image we bear. Without God, morality drifts. With God, morality is anchored. We don't create moral truth, we discover it. And discovering it is discovering Him.